Welcome, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Gaiman, and I'd like to talk to you about place value. And to do that, I'm just going to start by choosing two random numbers. And I think I'll choose 54 plus 23. And I want to talk to you about things that I think you already know. The first being that we have come to understand that a number gets its value by the place in which it sits. When you were in first and second grade, you may have learned to even draw a line to express that, and also learned that the numbers that sit all the way over to the right are in the ones place, and then directly to the left would be the tens place. Well, whatever it is that you have 54 of or 23 of, it could be Legos or Matchbox cars or candy. It doesn't matter. What we do know is that in the ones place, it's simple because it would be 4 plus 3 is 7. However, when we come over to the tens place, we understand that the 5 has a value of 50 and that the 2 has a value of 20. And so when we go to add those together, we have 70. However, we also learned that we express that simply by putting a 7 in that place. I'd like to also show you that there's another way to look at this. So let me quickly just choose a different color here. And we're going to take the same number and break it apart. So we're going to take the 50 and separate out the 4 in the ones place. And do the same thing to the 23. We'll take the 20, separate the 3 out. And let's go ahead and add the ones place again here. And we know that 50 plus 20 is 70. And if we add these two together, we come up again with 77, just like we did over here. There's a special name for this method, and we call it adding by place. I'd like for you to take a minute and just talk with your partner about what you understand from this lesson. And then what I'd like you to do is, I would like for you to take your notebook, and would you please come up with two numbers that you can add together, but don't answer it. Give it to your partner and ask your partner to add those numbers with these two methods, the traditional algorithm that we know, and also adding by place.